Welcome back to another video of Ethan Duran YouTube channel. And in this video, I clickbaited you a bit because in the title, it should say that I lost 200 grand, but in reality, I didn't. I saved 200 grand, or I saved myself from a 200K loss, and I'm gonna explain to you why. But first, I want to introduce you to my brand new 2025 Cullinan. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It looks like a black badge, as you can see. You may have seen me on my Instagram posted it, but it was green maybe with a line or something, I don't know. We have here the custom plates from Rolls-Royce himself, hand built in Goodwood, England for Ethan Duran, which I love those. Obviously, if we come over here, you'll see that the front is different, the headlights is different, the grille lights up, the headlights are actually different inside, and the daytime running lights are also different. I am thinking about doing a mastery kit. As you can see, everything is all blacked out. I have tints in the front, I have tints on the side. The interior is beautifully done in the Hermes orange, which I'm happy I got because I just wanted something different. I think I'm gonna do the SF90 with a crazy color interior. I'll tell you guys later. But the whole dash is different. The whole system is different. It's actually so smart, like kind of feels like a smart car. It memorizes where I put my window down, and then if I ever go by that spot again, it automatically puts it down, which is absolutely insane. Like when I go to the gym and I gotta get a ticket, it puts it down on its own. It already knows that when I'm there, it has to go down. Absolutely insane. The massage is insane. Look at this infotainment system. Come over here. If you look, there is just so many options of like things you can do, and each one of them goes to more things. So it's like so customizable. Obviously, we have the shooting star headliner. I actually haven't seen a shooting star. Oh, there you go. I saw my first shooting star just now. My last Cullinan was a 2022. Once I got bored of it, I added it to my rental fleet and started renting it out. And then this one's another personal, and it looks absolutely insane. I am gonna do a mastery kit on it. Like, dude, put some photos over here of how sick that looks. We do have the rugs that are like super fluffy and nice. We do have them. I just left them at the dealer, so I have to go pick them up. That was about $6,000. Oh, I love the new rims by the way. The car just looks so insane, so wide. I actually love it. Why did I save $200,000 on myself from losing $200,000? It's because the original one that I ordered was a black badge $623,000 spec. And as soon as it landed, I realized it was the first black badge ever, and all the other ones were losing so much value. They were depreciating like crazy. I was scared because I ordered this car super loaded out. When I ordered it, the 2021 that I had was still going for over 500K, and the MSRP on it was like $399 or something. So it's kind of like, okay, I'm good on my money, but it wasn't. So I started getting scared, started doing more research, letting the market kind of just chill out a little bit. I waited a week, I waited 2 weeks, I waited 3 weeks, and then I realized like, yo, this is actually not looking too good. The market just kept dropping. So I realized once I buy this car and as soon as I walk out with it, nobody's gonna pay this much for this car. So I'm losing 100 grand off the bat. That may seem like a lot of money to you guys, and then for some of you might be like, oh, Ethan, what the hell? You know, you don't care, you're rich, and that. But $100,000 pill to swallow is not an easy task, and especially like having to explain it to my mom later. I was just kind of like, bro, how do they even do this? I'd rather just not do it at all and maybe wait a little bit. So I waited a little longer, trying to make it make sense. We started negotiating with the dealer to go ahead and like, I can't say the dealer. If you guys find out, you find out, but they're very upset with me right now. But I started negotiating back and forth. Guys, it's been like half a year, more than half a year. That car's still for sale. Nobody wants to buy it. Like nobody. The MSRP is too high. Like everybody knows you're gonna lose not 100K now. Now you'll probably lose $200,000. As soon as you buy it, 100 grand, put some miles, another 100 grand. It's absolutely insane. Like honestly, super bad purchase. I ordered it, so they're upset with me because I'm the one that ordered it with the intent to buy it, with the promise to buy it. Like the big office are mad at me. The people at the bottom, they don't care too much. That's why I got these from my previous one. So I had to put them on this. I blacked it out of the way. Honestly, if you're not like a big fan or you don't follow me for too long, you'll probably think it's the exact same one. Like you won't know the difference. The difference is this is orange. The other one is yellow. The outside is actually like an emerald green with a line going across, which I might put the line on here as well. Besides that, it really isn't any difference. The back has the picnic seats, but the picnic seats options is a $40-something thousand option. We found the manufacturer that makes them for $6 grand. So we are gonna order those and put them over here because honestly, like $40,000 and then $6K is a big difference. And if I do sell in the future, they probably won't even know that they're aftermarket. They'll just think it was like done that. I don't think I'll get 40K worth of it, but I'll probably get like 10K worth of it. And even if I get my 6K back, I'll be super happy with that. My biggest fear with this model that also held me back from buying it, it's the fact that if you look at the Spectre has stars on the doors. It has a couple more new features that this one doesn't have yet. So it kind of made me feel like once that Cullinan comes out, this one's gonna lose a lot of value on top of the 200K that I was already sure to lose on it. Oh, my other one also has stars over here, which is pretty dope, but I don't really miss it that much. It's okay. Guys, this car is a vibe. I was a big time hater before of the Cullinan. I just thought like it's a box. Why would somebody pay so much money for a box? I don't know, you feel good in it. It's the feeling you have when you drive it. Makes it make sense. I'm still going to probably lose money. I mean, I won't. Once I'm tired of it, I'm gonna put it out on my rental fleet and get something different. In the US, any English car, you're gonna lose money. That's just what it is. When you're rich, you usually don't care. You're just, all right, cool, I'm gonna buy and lose some money. But I'm in the car business, so it's kind of hard for me to accept that I'm gonna lose money in the car business. Losing 200K on that black badge Cullinan that was super customized, even with the rental, once I got bored of it and I put it to the rental fleet, it would take me so much to make that money just to maybe even break even, as opposed to with this one, if I'm bored of it next month, 2 months from now, 5 months from now, maybe even a year from now, and I just sell it to my rental company, I'll be profitable right away because I'll cash myself personally out on this car, and then the business will actually start making money instantly because I got a great deal. I got a great deal on it, and I am more of a deal guy and a numbers guy than everything else. I do pay for what I want, but if you actually saw me in negotiation, I negotiate for a very long time. I'm super happy with it, guys. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Obviously, you know all the cool features that it has, like pressing the button and closing on its own. Obviously, like that's just super dope, especially if you pick up a girl. We have the ambient lighting. We literally have everything. There's like not a single option missing except for the seats in the back and the 4-seat configuration. Everything else we have the rugs, we have to pick them up, and we blacked out everything. After putting the kit on the SF90, I kind of realized like how much more fun and creative you can get when you do things your own way instead of just maxing out the order with the manufacturer. It's one of those things you have to kind of pick. There is something beautiful about doing that, about getting everything from factory done. I mean, I did that with my Revuelto, I did that with my F8, Spider, I did that with so many of my cars on my first Cullinan. But for this one and the SF90, I realized how much money I saved by not doing that and how better the car ended up looking afterwards and how much more I'm able to make because people will pay a lot more money for my spec that I customly build myself than a stock one. Now, it will take a special person to do it, but they'll do it. That is how I saved $200,000. I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about these wheels. I'm thinking about changing them. I like them because they look futuristic. I'm gonna put 3 options right here. 1, 2, and 3. Let me know if you like any of these. If you don't like any of these, just say I don't like any of them. Like, don't just pick one because they're there. I want to see what you guys think. This is my brand new 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I drive it every day. I already added like, I don't know, like 1,500 miles. So I'm very happy with that. I'm looking forward to making a lot of fun videos with this. I want to take this off-roading, see how fun that would be. I am not going to drive it back. I'm going to drive the Revuelto back because if I have to choose between the two, I'll always choose the Revuelto. The Revuelto is extremely fun. Let's do a rev check for them. Come on. Obviously, Montana, we don't pay tax when we buy cars in cash. And if you guys remember with the other Cullinan, what I did whenever I didn't want to get any tickets for red lights and stuff, because that's what you do with this car. You run red lights, magnetic plates, and boom, you're good to go. Okay, let's go to Time Pistoni's Neo's birthday party. I got him a gift and I wrapped it, well, somebody else wrapped it all over my face because everything with my face is better. Colors. Keep going. Stand still. Neo only likes exclusive stuff, so I had to go ahead and do the really exclusive that he wasn't going to see in the road.
I see the orange Louis Vuitton box. You know I love that already.
I just like the wrap.
You're a beast. Yeah, I'm trying to keep it in one piece. How's it work?
You know that wrap? It's my face.
It's my face. Only Mr. Duran. And of course it's Louis Vuitton. Thank you, by the way, in advance. Uh-oh. I haven't had one of these boxes in a minute. Uh-oh. That's fire. Oh, that's crazy. I have the matching wallet. I think it's the same, but yeah, your wallet. That's the expedition one. Yeah. I love it, bro. Fire. I definitely want to see you next to the Rainbow Skelly, bro. Hey. There you go. That's it. That's fire.
exclusive shit. Just so you know, that's Americana collection. That's hot.
No, it's fire.
Hey guys, let me get